All right, on today's video, we're gonna take a look at the brand new KZRV 2021 Connect SC. This is the 231BHKSE floor plan, which is a new layout which incorporates bunks in an ultra-modern looking interior. So this will be, the SC is gonna be a lighter floor plan, more price conscious for you guys to get a great camper at a great value. As we see, I'm under this 19-foot huge power awning with lights lit up all across the front here to give you great space to hang out with friends and family while you are RVing. With a huge pass-through storage, flip-up steps, and a large grab handle, you have all the things you want on a great outdoor camper. This also will give you a leech lash and this great outdoor kitchen with your Suburban griddle. So you have your griddle, which stores away down here when you're in storage mode, and this flips up, you set it down here, and you're ready to have those bacon and eggs and pancakes prepared for your family. And of course, with the condiments, you can keep your items right here in your refrigerator as well. One cool thing they did because you don't have the outdoor sink, you have your outdoor shower here with hot and cold water. So this camper is in a great new exterior color of white fiberglass. This has your climate package on it, so you have a heated enclosed underbelly. It is also 10 feet 10 inches tall, 8 feet wide, and just shy of 20 feet in overall length, coming in at only 5,300 pounds. So with that being said, let's take a look on the inside, shall we? So we'll take a look at this Murphy bed here. You just release these two levers here. Let's get over here a little bit, and then let it just fall all the way down. As you can tell, you can keep the bedding here on your real mattress. It's not a flip-up mattress, so it actually will be a comfortable night's sleep with your bedding already attached. And then there's a little lock on the right side of the bed that actually will keep the Murphy bed locked to the frame. So you got a nice curved wall there, plenty of space back here to lay comfortably. On either side behind the wardrobes, you'll have a little shelf with an outlet and USB ports for CPAP machines, alarm clocks, so you can charge your phone. Very handy to keep it right back there by you. And of course, on either side, you do have your mirrored wardrobe with a hanging bar on both sides. As you rotate over here to your slide, you'll see we have an updated 2021 lounge dining table back here with your waterfall edge one-piece tabletop. So I like the way they have these cushions here versus just your typical square rectangle cushion. These are actually like pillow tops, and so it's super comfortable to actually sit back, eat a meal, or sit back, watch television. It's honestly really comfortable. And this will drop down to make your bed as well if you needed to sleep extra guests. Also, next to that will be a large pantry. This actually has two pantries, or if you have guests here, this could be where their clothes go. But very deep, wide, you can fit a lot of stuff in there. Moving back, you have your bunks over here with two windows, separate lights, and separate USB ports with a nice spot beneath the bunk to accommodate extra luggage or totes. As we take a look at the kitchen, you have your 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator by Norcold. I really do like these refrigerators. They're super efficient, cools down rather quickly, and you can store a whole ton of stuff in here. Got your Furrion microwave, vent fan with light, and of course your 3-burner cooktop with a glass cover, lighted up knobs, and you're upping. Generous amount of countertop space for all this prepping, coffee pots, space to prepare your food. A large single bowl stainless steel sink with a modern black faucet. 3 drawers beneath here and a spot for your trash can. And these are gonna be full eccentric drawer glides. And then look at the space for your television. So this will accommodate a 40-inch TV. You mount it right here, dead center here. Got all your hookups up above there. And if you get it installed by us at VEURINK'S, we would do a swing mount arm. That way you can actually rotate it to view it from your sofa. And also, as you can tell back here, there are shelves. So if you want to be able to access it, use the space back here for items, you can get out of the way and do what you got to do. We'll swing around and take a look at the bathroom, which gives you a nice standard size shower and enough room in there for you to get ready in the morning. So here we have your bathroom with your foot flush toilet, and look at that shower. It is a generous amount of space in there with your faux tile backsplash, makes it super modern. Skylight, cool looking shower curtain, vent fan in there as well. If you look down at the countertop space for your sink, you have a lot of space there for all your necessities, hair dryers, toothbrushes, toothpaste, with a couple different shelves there to house your towels, toilet paper, and of course you have a mirrored medicine cabinet as well for all your storage needs. Well, all right, we have your 231 BHKSE Connect SE here at VEURINK'S RV Center for sale. If you need a price, call me today at 616-965-9623. Again, super modern, super comfortable, lightweight bunkhouse for your family on your next camping adventure. Please call us today. We do take trades, we finance, and we will even ship it nationwide for you. Hope you had a great day, and I will see you soon.